Welcome back to Kreation Arts. Today, we are diving into a super simple technique that yields amazing results: how to draw realistic water droplets. First, let's map out our droplets. Water is imperfect, so feel free to draw circular or oval shapes of your choice. Give the inside of the droplet a smooth grey shade. Start a bit darker near the top edge and gently fade it out as you move downwards. With the help of a paper stub or an earbud, leave a crisp white dot right where the light hits the droplet. Let's add some depth. Choose where your light source is coming from. On the side of the light, we are going to cast a soft shadow outside the droplet. And just like that, you have a realistic 3D water droplet. Give this a try on your own sketches. Thanks for watching Kreation Arts. Bye for now and see you on the other side.